Calm is unbreakable. The power no storm can destroy. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook channel. Today, we will talk about a powerful truth that Stoic wisdom teaches us. Calm is unbreakable. Sa mundong puno ng ingay, galit, at pressure, ang pagiging kalmado ay hindi kahinaan. Ito ay lakas. Please watch until the end because this message may change how you face problems in life. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share this video. Calm is unbreakable. Calm is not the absence of problems. Calm is the ability to stay steady while problems exist. Ang karamihan ng tao, madaling masira kapag may insulto, may problema, may delay, may pagkawala. Pero ang taong kalmado, hindi agad gumagalaw ayon sa emosyon. They pause, they breathe, they think. At doon, nagsisimula ang tunay na lakas. Why calm is power? When you are calm, you see clearly. You decide wisely. You protect your peace. Kapag kalmado ka, hindi madaling manipulahin. Hindi ka madaling magalit. Hindi ka madaling bumigat. Ang galit ay mabilis pero mahina. Ang kalmado ay tahimik pero hindi nababasa. The Stoic lesson about calm. Stoic wisdom teaches us that we cannot control events, but we can always control our response. Maraming bagay sa buhay ang hindi patas, hindi inaasahan, masakit. Pero ang tanong ay, hindi. Bakit nangyari ito? Ang tanong ay, paano ako tutugon? Kapag pinili mo ang kalmado, pinili mo ang kapangyarihan. Calm versus reaction. Reaction is emotional. Calm is intentional. Reaction destroys relationships. Calm builds respect. Reaction creates regret. Calm creates solutions. Ang taong pala-react, laging talo. Ang taong kalmado, laging may control. Why calm is unbreakable? Calm cannot be stolen. Calm cannot be shouted down. Calm cannot be defeated by noise. Kapag sanay kang kalmado, kahit may mga insulto, hindi ka bumababa sa level nila. Kahit may problema, hindi ka nawawala sa direksyon. Kahit may delay sa success, hindi ka sumusuko. Ang kalmado ay hindi kawala ng emosyon. Ito ay disiplina sa emosyon. Sa trabaho, sa pamilya, sa relasyon, sa pangarap. Kapag natutunan mong manatiling kalmado, mas kaunting pagkakamali, mas malinaw na desisyon, mas malakas na loob. Hindi lahat ng laban kailangang sagutin. Hindi lahat ng ingay kailangang patulan. Minsan, ang pinakamalakas na sagot ay katahimikan. Remember this, anyone can react, only the strong can remain calm. Ang kalmado ay hindi nasisira ng sitwasyon dahil ito ay galing sa loob. Build your calm, protect your peace, and you will become unbreakable. Thank you for watching. If this message inspired you, please subscribe and follow my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook page. Don't forget to like, share, and watch my other videos for more deep wisdom about life, strength, and inner peace. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next video.